In which substance are the particles furthest apart at room temperature? So in this question, they're asking which one are particles furthest apart. Now we know that in solid they are tightly packed, so they're not furthest apart. In liquid they are also very close to each other, but in gas they are furthest apart. So we're talking about gas. We're not going to choose sugar because sugar is a solid at room temperature. And even if dissolved in water, it's going to be a liquid, but it's not a gas, okay? Salt, same thing. It's a solid at room temperature. We have salt at home. And if we dissolve it in water, it's going to make a solution and it's going to be a liquid form. Methane is a gas at room temperature. This is something we will study in chapter 3 when we study that methane is basically CH4 and it is a covalent substance, simple covalent substances, and covalent substances are gases at room temperature with few exceptions, of course. And so that's why the answer here is methane. It's the only one that's a gas at room temperature. And you guys can actually guess this question because you guys know that ethanol is a liquid at room temperature. Why? Because you have ethanol at home. That wound disinfectant or that cleaner stuff that you have at home, it's a liquid at room temperature, right? So we call it spirit, or we call it alcohol wipes, right? Alcohol wipes, or just alcohol. So this is a liquid at room temperature. So if you eliminate this, you eliminate salt and sugar because these are solids at room temperature. And even if dissolved, they're not gases, then you can actually choose methane. So even though you didn't study chapter 4 yet or chapter 3 yet, you can eliminate all the other choices and choose B. So later in the syllabus, you will know that methane is a gas at room temperature.